I'm back again with another unboxing video. This time I'm doing the unboxing of MSM box. I just got my box right now, so let's see what I got. I already opened it little bit, just tag, seal. So this is the receipt and this is the price card. This is the Kan Yoga gift voucher, and it is 20% discount on your first order. So, and the coupon code is Kan Gift. This is the subscription renewal code. So let's see. The first product is, let me check what is the products are. So the first product is Corona Care Massage Oils. The Itsy Bitsy Massage Addict Kit. It is a massage oil. So it is the basically these are 4 oils, and I got the 2 in which one is the chill pill, and I don't know what is the second is, because it is the back side of the second oil, so there is no name mention on it. So these are the massage oil, and the quantity of these oil is 35 ml each. So the second product is the Be the Solution hand sanitizer. So it is the logo of the brand name. So and it is the sample product, and it is 50 ml. There is no cost mention of this hand sanitizer. So let's just see what is the fragrance of this. There is no strong fragrance of this hand sanitizer. It's very limey fragrance of this hand sanitizer, so I like it. And there is, as you can see, there is small beads in the hand sanitizer. The third product is the Biotic Bio Orange Peel Revitalizing Body Soap with pure fruit and vegetable extract. It is the orange soap, and the cost of this soap is $90. It says it is Biotic is based on 5,000-year-old Ayurvedic recipe known to integrate and celebrate body, mind and spirit. This is the heritage and harmony of all Biotic products. So the Bio Orange Peel Revitalizing Body Soap contains Santra Chilka, Rita Fruit, Jata Manchi Root, Akhrot Grain Shell, Neem Oil, Haldi Tuber, Cleanser Base, Purified Water. Carefully So these are the ingredients of this soap. Organically pure, preservative free, dermatologist tests for safety, no animal testing. This is not a cosmetic product, it has therapeutic properties. So it is the therapeutic soap. So, and how to use: gently work up a foamy lather and rinse. So this is the soap. And the fourth product is the Sante Spa candle. So I think this is the candle. It's quite packed. I think I leave it unpacked because I don't want, because I do not have any knife near so it is hard to open. Let's leave it as it is. So the cost of this spa candle is the 195, but there is nothing mentioned how much quantity this candle have. So the next product is the Kan Yoga eye mask, and it cost rupees 799, 800. So this is the eye mask, I think. So I think this is the one of the best product in this bag, and the full size product and the major product. Wow, what a fragrance are coming with from this mask. It says filled with dried lavender flowers. The eye mask is perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation, contour to shape of the face, blocking out light totally. So as you can see, there is the design made of this mask, so it can cover your eyes properly, and there is no single light can cross this mask and come to your eyes. So I think it is the wow, the fragrance, I totally love the fragrance of this eye mask. I think it is the best product. So but I will give this product to my husband, as he is a software engineer, and he spends his time on laptop, computer, and he usually work in very low light. So I think it is best thing for him, and I definitely give it to him. So guys, I want to also tell you that I ordered the another product with this box. It is the Biomargosa anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner. So this shampoo with conditioner I ordered from the MSM box. The reason of ordering this box is that this shampoo is that the cost of MSM box is the 495, and they charge 100 rupees for shipping, and if your order is the less than 600 rupees, so if you if you don't order any other thing, so you have to pay 595 rupees. So if you in any way you have to give them 600 rupees, so it is better if you order one other product with your box, and you get your box free of shipping cost. So I think if you if you want to order your box, so always choose any one product from which is comes under the cost of 100 rupees, like 150 rupees, so that you can charge the full value of your money. And the cost of this shampoo is 170. So I have to pay only 665 rupees for this box. If I don't buy this shampoo, I have to pay 600 rupees. So you can say I save my 100 rupees. So guys, if you like my video, please hit like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.